Let's make stuffed peppers for dinner. I already have, if you have curries at home of any sort, you stack it, you put rice and you put your 2 curries on top, sprinkle with the cheese on top, and then you put it in. So this is how I'm going to do it. I've got peppers. I'm going to throw out the seeds. And then if you have spray oil, that's the healthier way of doing it. Just spray oil your peppers and put it in the air fryer for 5 minutes. I'm just going to do Indian style with my hand. Just put some oil or ghee, whatever you have, on your pepper and put it into the air fryer for 5 minutes or 8 minutes, depending on how strong or weak your air fryer is. They're out of the air fryer. I'm going to put some green beans that I had from before. Before meaning yesterday, I made some green beans and mustard vegetable. That's going in as the base. Then I'm going to put in some dal, which is, this is yum. So I'm not, normally I'd put in rice, but I'm trying to avoid that. Today I'm just going to put in the Bengal gram dal, which is so yum. And then I'm going to top it with cheese and I'm going to put it in the air fryer again for 8 minutes. Ooh, trying to stack this so it doesn't fall. Ooh, stay there. I forgot I also have some lamb rogan josh, so a couple of pieces of lamb. So you've got green beans, you've got dal, and you've got a couple of pieces of lamb rogan josh. And then final thing that goes on top is going to be, I need another spoon for this, the cheese topping that I'd made this morning. That will go on top, and be generous with it because it does melt, goes into nothingness. It's going to be spicy cheese topping. I'm going to put that in for 8 minutes in the air fryer at 200. And let's go check out the peppers. Look at that. How good does that look? And that is my dinner. I didn't actually put these ones in the air fryer, but you can do. So let me taste, let me have the one that's on the side. It's already fallen to the side. It looks so good. Let's taste it. My mouth is watering. Amazing. So I put it in for 5 minutes, and then I put the food in and I put it in for another 8 minutes, 8 or 9 minutes. And it tastes amazing. Of course, it all depends on what you're putting in there, but my curries are quite tasty. Bye for now.